A very simple introduction to icy weather conditions, where they occur, and the other weather patterns associated with it. So let's get started. Icy. The air is too warm for snow. The ground is too cold for rain. Look out, it is going to get icy. Icy weather can be beautiful and dangerous. Icy weather happens when the temperature is near 32 degrees Fahrenheit. If it gets colder, snow is likely much warmer and it will rain. Driver must scrape their windows in icy weather, or else they can't see and really get into a bad accident. Icy weather takes many forms. Sleet, hail, and freezing rain are three kinds of icy weathers. Hail can be small, like peas, or bigger than golf balls. The only hail I saw is which hasn't got a shape, just like little tiny balls. Sleet starts in a cloud as snow. On the way to the ground, it falls through warm air and melts a little. Then it hits cold air again. It freezes as sleet. Sleet is very slippery. It can be dangerous to walk on. In hailstorms, ice falls fall instead of rain. Hail is made in thunderstorms. Hail can fall in any season because the tops of thunderclouds are very cold. Large hail can cause damage to cars and houses, so be careful. Freezing rain is water that is cold as ice. It is rain when it falls. It freezes as soon as it lands. Freezing rain covers everything it touches with ice. When moist air freezes, it forms frost. Frost makes weathery patterns on the doors and windows. When the sun hits frost, it melts away. Frost covers a rose and its leaves. Freezing fog. Leaves, frost and ice everywhere. Roads get slick and the fog is hard to see through. It is a bad time for driving. Drivers must be very careful in freezing fog. In ice storm, ice builds up on roads and trees. The ice is heavy. It pulls down trees and power lines. Heavy ice has caused these trees to bend over. Ice can be dangerous, but it can be beautiful too. Trees and grass sparkle like jewels. But what do you do when it's icy outside? Freezing rain covers this forest in ice. Tell me in the comments down below what you do on rainy days. So now let's do the glossary. Glossary. Freezing fog. Fog that forms on a freezing day and leaves ice on the ground. Freezing rain. Rain that is as cold as snow when it falls. It turns to ice in a flash when it hits the ground. Frost. Ice crystals that form when the water in moist air freezes. Hail. Pellets of ice that form during thunderstorms. Ice storm. A storm in which a thick layer of ice builds up on roads and streets. Sleet. Slushy ice that starts as snow melts a bit on the way to the ground and refreezes. Temperature. How hot or cold something is. Links to the original videos you can find in the description down below. And see you later in another weathery episode. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. So bye guys!